Look at your hands. Now, imagine a machine that can do everything they do, but faster, stronger, and without ever needing to sleep. They are already cooking your food. They are driving your cars. And, yes, they might even be coming for your job. Robots used to be science fiction. Now, they don't just exist, they dominate. Welcome to the age of total automation. We aren't just talking about Roombas bumping into your wall. We are talking about machines that build our cars with surgical precision. Warehouses where robots pick, sort, and ship packages faster than any human team ever could. From robotic surgeons saving lives to autonomous tractors harvesting our food, the machines aren't coming. They are already here. So, why is this exploding right now? It's simple math. Robots don't get tired. They don't complain. They don't take sick days. They work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For a business, automation isn't just a luxury anymore. It's survival. Zero errors, maximum speed. But here is the uncomfortable truth you need to hear. Yes, automation will kill jobs, but the story doesn't end there. The future belongs to the people who can control the machines, not the ones fighting them. If you know programming, robotics, or AI management, you aren't just safe, you are valuable. The next wave is even bigger. Humanoids that walk and talk like us. Entire cities running on autopilot. This isn't the future anymore. It's the new normal. Don't get left behind. Hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve. See you in the future.